Hey everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's got a lot of buzz on the internet lately, weight loss products. Specifically, I'm putting one of the most talked about products to the test. Is it a scam or is it legit? So grab your snacks, cozy up, and let's get to the bottom of it. This video is my overview of the so-called Slimming Chocolate recipe review scheme mentioning Dr. Newman. A supposed weight loss product named Keto Activate Dark Chocolate Truffle and a purported 30-minute keto method. First and foremost, if you want to lose weight, please make a doctor's appointment and speak to a medical professional. When I see something like the Slimming Chocolate recipe reviews mentioning Dr. Newman, my first thought is to strongly recommend against buying products that claim to offer new and fast ways to lose weight with methods easier than diet and exercise. The Slimming Chocolate recipe review scheme mentioning Dr. Newman appeared in Facebook and Instagram video ads in late 2024. Specifically October when I looked at the marketing for the Keto Activate Dark Chocolate Truffle product. One Facebook ad claims that a slimming chocolate is the quickest way to pee out fat. The videos show chocolate desserts and featured a man claiming, "Some people think it's too effective because they're losing weight too fast." In the videos, the narrator claims a person named Dr. Newman, who is wearing a white lab coat in some parts of the video ad, kind of like a medical doctor might, discovered the purported weight loss method herself. The ads refer to her as a fat loss expert and say the supposed method is based on research by Harvard Medical, Yale School of Medicine and Johns Hopkins School of Medicine. Know this, a person somewhat misleadingly mentioning prestigious universities is something I see in a lot of scam videos these days, even if there's a tiny disclaimer in text. While the ads don't claim the universities endorse the product, some consumers might gather that as a fact anyway. The Facebook ads for the Slimming Chocolate recipe review scheme mentioning Dr. Newman claims if you take the Slimming Chocolate, you still get to eat all the pizza, chocolate and delicious bread you want. The ads show spaghetti, popcorn, corn, milk, pie, bread and more. The same videos later show salmon, cheese, avocado, fried chicken and eggs, and that's after showing lots of chocolate bars and liquid chocolate. By the way, the ads claim that Dr. Newman tried a keto diet but it did not work. However, one of her own websites says keto worked for me personally after I struggled to lose weight after having 2 children. The ads also show a chocolate bar being placed into a blender and the claim that the purported weight loss method involved not dieting or going to the gym. The FTC might have something to say about that. My video researching the Slimming Chocolate recipe reviews scheme mentioning Dr. Newman documents a lot of data. After users leave the Facebook ads, they're taken to a 31-minute video on, or, that page claims, NYC Doctor, this new slimming chocolate dissolves fat for good. The website is owned by Keto Activate. According to the terms and conditions for that website, Keto Activate is associated with Conscious LLC, Conscious Brands, Enclave LLC, Simple Keto System, Helix Bootcamp and Enclave Bioactives. Dr. Newman begins the video by talking about her college degrees but does not mention what criteria she received those degrees for. A little bit of research found that the same Newman is mentioned on the University of Cincinnati website as follows: Drive. Newman has a BBA in marketing from the University of Kentucky, MBA from Morehead State University, and an MA in higher education and a PhD in educational leadership from the University of Louisville. So her PhD is in educational leadership. By the way, in the 31-minute video, she calls the product an 11-second daily ritual. The page hosting the longer Slimming Chocolate video on also displays the words as seen on with the logos for the publications Allure, Eating Well, Elle, People, Shape, and Vogue. According to numerous Google searches, none of those 6 publications ever featured reporting about Keto Activate or a slimming chocolate. Think about the fact that this purported weight loss method is being presented in Facebook and Instagram ads by telling you that if you put chocolate bars, that's what they show, chocolate bars, in a blender you will be able to lose weight very rapidly, too rapidly for some people, according to what they say. Go see a doctor, beware, and thanks for watching.